Dolphins can leap high out of the water to get a better look around. Lobster. Lobsters can regrow lost claws, legs, and antennae, like ocean repair experts. Caterpillar. Caterpillars have tiny hooks on their feet that help them climb leaves like pros. Alligator. Alligators bask in the sun with their mouths open to cool down. Dog. Dogs can learn over 100 words and signals, some even more. Crocodile. Crocodiles can sleep with one eye open to stay alert. Pufferfish. Pufferfish puff up with water, not air, when they feel threatened. Lion. A lion's tail tuft is used for signaling to other lions during a hunt. Giraffe. Giraffes have purple tongues to protect them from sunburn while eating leaves. Stingray. Stingrays glide so smoothly, it looks like they're flying underwater. Blue tangfish. Blue tangfish use their sharp tail spines to defend themselves when needed. Starfish. Starfish don't swim. They use hundreds of tiny tube feet to walk around. Horse. Horses can sleep standing up thanks to special locking leg muscles. Frog. Frogs absorb water through their skin like natural sponges. Clownfish. Clownfish dance when meeting a new sea anemone to avoid getting stung. Hippopotamus. Hippos have pink sweat that works like sunscreen. Octopus. An octopus has 9 brains, one for each arm and one main brain. Sperm whale. Sperm whales click so loudly it can be heard miles away underwater. Duck. Ducks wiggle their tails when excited or happy. Squid. Squids jet forward by blasting water out like rocket boosters. Llama. Llamas hum softly to communicate with their herd. Blue tangfish. Blue tangs can change their shade of blue depending on their mood.